And 5 women are coming forward with accusations against Mohamed Al-Fayed, the late billionaire whose son Dodi died in a car crash with Princess Diana. The former employees tell the BBC Mohamed sexually assaulted them when he owned the luxury British department store Harrods. ABC foreign correspondent James Longman has the latest.
Mohamed Al-Fayed, longtime owner of Harrods department store, whose son Dodi died alongside Princess Diana in Paris, stands accused of rape and sexual abuse.
Mohamed Al-Fayed was like an apex predator, and he enjoyed, I guess, the fear in my eyes, or our eyes.
I just kicked him off. I kicked and screamed, and again, I got him off. I was just terrified.
Al-Fayed, who died last year, was a billionaire Egyptian businessman who rubbed shoulders with royalty. He's depicted in the Netflix series The Crown as the matchmaker behind his son's relationship with Princess Diana. But Al-Fayed now stands accused of multiple sexual assaults in a new BBC documentary, Al-Fayed, Predator at Harrods, which has gathered testimony from 20 women.
He tried to rape me more than once.
And he pushed me in and onto the bed so that I couldn't move.
I was a child when this happened. You know, he was 79, nearly 80, and I was 15.
The women say they want to set the record straight, some angered by his depiction in Netflix's show.
Diana.
Mohammed, but you must call me Mumu.
Why must I call you Mumu?
All my friends do.
They say that version is far from the truth.
I hope that from today, people see what he was really like. Mohamed Al-Fayed is a rapist. I think he's a serial rapist.
Harrods, which is under new management, issued a statement sincerely apologising to the victims. We're utterly appalled by the allegations of abuse perpetrated by Mohamed Al-Fayed, an individual intent on abusing his power wherever he operated. They added, the Harrods of today is a very different organisation to the one owned and controlled by Al-Fayed between 1985 and 2010.
And ABC foreign correspondent James Longman joins me now from London with more on this. James, why are these women coming forward now, and what does justice look like for them?
Yeah, Diane, I think it's the sheer weight of evidence. That's part of it, the number of women that have come forward. He's had sexual abuse allegations leveled at him before, but never in this quantity. 37 women are coming forward. 5 of them say they were raped. I think they want to adjust the reputation that he has in the world. You saw there the Netflix documentary that's upset some of them. This affable character, I think, in the minds of many. They want that adjusted. But there's also a specific issue here around his business dealings. Gloria Allred, the lawyer who represents so many women in these sorts of situations, she made the point today that it goes beyond Mohamed Al-Fayed for these women. It goes through to Harrods, of course, the department store, what other people there may have known, what they were hiding, but also his other business dealings as well. He owned a soccer club here in the United Kingdom. In the United States, you have RICO, which is a charge that you can bring against an organization for criminal activity. So they're really thinking of it in that way. Have a listen to what Gloria Allred told me just earlier this morning.
He dangled employment opportunities before them, but they were really not treated as employees. They were treated as sex objects.
And the idea here is that, you know, so many of these women were recruited, employed by Harrods. This is the allegation, in many cases, in order that Mohamed Al-Fayed could abuse them. So the idea, I think, for these lawyers and these victims coming forward is they want to raise awareness to get perhaps more women to come forward. For a long time, they felt very scared to do so. Diane?
And James, there are 6 American women also coming forward with accusations against Al-Fayed. I know you spoke to one of them. What did she tell you?
Yeah, this is a 23-year-old woman. She came here to London as a student from the United States with her sister, worked at Harrods for 3 months, and she said that when she was put into the offices close to Mohamed Al-Fayed's personal office, she was put in some incredibly difficult situations with him. I think we've got a clip here to show you.
Fayed said, no, I have a private elevator. You can come with me in the elevator. So we got in, and I was standing looking at the elevator doors, and he was behind me. And when we started going down, he turned me around and kissed me in his bedroom. And he started making jokes and comments about how the bed was big enough for 3, and just lewd comments and things. And then he tried to kiss my sister, and she kind of like ducked away and walked out, and I walked out, and he hit me on the butt.
So these women have come forward with sort of different types of allegations against Mohamed Al-Fayed. The case against him and Harrods hasn't been brought to a court of law yet. There could be jurisdictional issues around this. There are women from all over the world who are coming forward with their stories, so it might be that different court cases are brought in different places, including, of course, the United States. Diane?
All right, ABC foreign correspondent James Longman. James, thank you.